many people have been facing a lot of problems due to COVID, but now there's a new trouble which is being faced by many of the thalassemia patients and also during the surgery as well, as there is a shortage of blood in many of the blood banks. Many of them have been saying that they are unable to get bloods, and also at the same time the Red Cross Society states that during the non-COVID time they were able to arrange near about 4,000 units per month, but now the number has drastically come down to near about 1,500 to 1,800 units of blood per month. And so the effect of COVID has definitely impacted on various sectors, and also now we have been seeing the COVID situation impacting the blood banks and many of the thalassemia patients as they are running short of blood, and also many patients have been roaming from one corner to other corner to arrange a blood for one unit as well.
The only shortage because of the COVID. Previously, when there was no COVID, we used to collect blood from colleges and IT people. Now IT people are working from their home and the colleges are closed. Now because of our police commissioners, 3 police commissioners, we are getting reasonably good amount of blood and we are supplying. Others are facing a lot of difficulty.
Sir, nowadays many of them are taking vaccine and many are tested positive. So how do you calculate that as?
Yes, as per government standards, it is said after 14 days of taking either first dose or second dose, we can give it.
Okay. So usually in the normal times, how many donors you used to get, and now due to COVID, how many are you getting?
Previously, I used to collect nearly, I am supposed to give 3,000 units per month to the government itself. Okay. There is an MOU. Okay. And for thalassemia patients, every month I require 800 units. Okay. And for others, 700. Nearly 4,500 units I used to collect previously. Now hardly we are collecting 1,500 to 1,600 per month.
Yeah, earlier after vaccination, there is a 28 days mandatory gap was there. So that is now not there. Only 14 days is the gap after vaccination. So that is a good thing which, and here what happened, government has issued some letters also. So whenever donor wanted to come, we are issuing a letter to them. So they will show it to the police, and when they come, they will show it to the police and they'll come and donate here. And while going also, they are showing the same letter and going here. And another thing is outside patients are not coming to the hospital nowadays, like Maharashtra and other places. Only COVID patients are coming, but general only in emergency cases they are coming. So most of the time local people are coming. So local people, they are not facing much difficulties because they have some contacts, friends, relatives. Not too much, but somehow manageable. Okay. It is not too much of shortage. But especially outside, like thalassemia societies, thalassemia children, where they are facing a lot of problems. Standalone blood banks, charitable trust blood banks, like for example Chiranjeevi Blood Bank or Thalassemia Society. Those people are facing a lot of problem because they can't conduct the camps. People are afraid to go for the camps also because large gatherings where they have a fear of getting the COVID, and they are not coming forward and going and centers and not donating there. So here somehow we are managing, not a problem. We have, apart from that, we have our own staff who are willing to donate.
पोस्ट कोविड उनका लंग्स डैमेज हुआ है, तो वो अभी इक्मो मशीन और वेंटिलेटर पे है, तो उसके लिए टाइम टू टाइम हॉस्पिटल वाले ब्लड का रिक्वायरमेंट बोलते हैं। तो कभी जैसे बुला के बोलेंगे कि हाँ आपको 6 यूनिट ब्लड है, तो आप डोनर अरेंज कर लीजिए, और वो ब्लड ग्रुप लिख के देते हैं। चूँकि मैं तो अकेला हूँ, तो फिर मैं सोशल मीडिया का सहारा लेता हूँ, फिर NGOs वगैरह के नंबर हैं उनको भेजता हूँ, तो फिर वो मदद करते हैं। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम आता है कि जब लॉकडाउन है तो उसमें डोनर जो आना भी चाहते हैं वो लोग तो काफ़ी कोऑपरेटिव है, लेकिन उनको ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है। और ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं मिलने का कारण है कि ओला और जो भी कैब हैं वो सब का जो रेट वगैरह है काफ़ी हाई है, कभी मिलता है, कभी वो मना कर देते हैं कि नहीं जाएंगे इतने कम पैसे में, जो मैंने भी फेस किया है प्रॉब्लम। और प्लस दिन के बाद आपको ब्लड अरेंज हुआ? मैम 3 दिन लग गए 6 यूनिट अरेंज करने में मुझे, और पहले भी टाइम लग जाता है ब्लड में, बिकॉज जबकि मुझे यहाँ पर तो मैं नया हूँ, तो मुझे यहाँ पर ना कोई से जान पहचान भी कुछ नहीं है। बट अब वो आके हॉस्पिटल वाले बुला के आपको स्लिप दे देंगे कि आपको ब्लड इतने डोनर लेके आइए, तो अब उसके बाद फिर फ़ोन आता है, फिर आप डोनर का नंबर आता है, बट वो कभी कभी नहीं आ पाते हैं क्योंकि कोई ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है, तो फिर उनको टाइम से उसके बाद उनको ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है। फिर जो वैक्सीनेशन चल रहा है तो इन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन के बाद 14 डेज तक इनका कुछ वो नहीं लेते हैं, डोनर को ब्लड एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं। तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स है।